Hey everyone, this is Akash. Welcome to the Gentleman. This video is about an error which is often faced by the beginners while using VS Code or some other compilers in Windows. Basically, it's due to the antivirus in Windows. Let's begin with the real issue. Now you can see the program written in C language in VS Code. Let's try to run it. And here we can see the notification in the right bottom. According to Windows, it may be a threat or a virus. So basically, it will take some time to scan it, and as Windows find it safe, the program will run. But we can simply resolve this by using some simple steps. Okay, so let's get started. First, we will go to the start button and search for the virus and threat protection. Now we will open it. Now click on the manage settings. We will scroll a bit and find the option add or remove exclusions. Add an exclusion, select file type and type .exe and add it. Now you have given permissions to all .exe files to run without scanning. Let's try to run that program again. And here you can see that program is running without any notification. Warning, sometimes we download .exe files from some unknown sources. Please do scan them, they may be a threat. Guys, this was the first video on this channel. If you face any issue, please write down in the comment section. Gentlemen will try best to resolve your problem. Thanks for watching, and in last, as every other YouTuber, like and share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.